Hello everyone, my name is Kaustubh Krishna Parse and I am from Kolhapur, Maharashtra, and I have done my graduation BSc Bachelor from Shivaji University, Kolhapur. So my non-technical topic name is climate change. So let's start. So climate change is encompasses the long-term alteration in temperature, precipitation, wind pattern, and other elements of the Earth climate system. So let's discuss some causes. Natural factors. In natural factors, volcanic activities. Volcanoes releases gases and particles that can influence climate. Solar variability, change in solar radiation can impact the Earth's climate. Ocean currents, shift in the ocean currents can alter climate patterns. Next is human activities. In human activities, greenhouse gases immersion, the burning of fossil fuel like coal, oil, natural gases releases CO2 and other greenhouse gases which trap heat in the atmosphere. Second one is deformation. Cutting down forest reduces the Earth capacity to absorb CO2. Next is industrial process. Various industrial activities contribute to the emission of greenhouse gases and the pollutions. So let's discuss about some impacts. Impact like temperature rise. Average global temperature have increased, leading to hotter condition worldwide. Next one is melting ice and sea level rise. First is polar ice. Melting of polar ice caps and glaciers contribute to rising the sea level. Sea levels. Next is sea level rise. Higher sea levels increases the risk of flooding in coastal areas. Next is weather, extreme weather. Heat waves increases frequency in intensity of heat waves. Storms, more intensive hurricanes, typhoons, and cyclones, and floods. Altered precipitation patterns can lead the savage broad of flooding. Next is ecosystem and biodiversity. In ecosystem and biodiversity, the point is habitat loss. In habitat loss, changing temperature and weather patterns can destroy the alter habitats. Next is spatial extinction. Many species may face extinction if they cannot adopt the migration. Next one is human health. In heat related illnesses, increased temperature can lead to the heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Disease spread. Change in climate can be affect the spread of diseases, particularly those transmitted by insects like malaria and dengue fevers. Next is economic and social impact. In economical and social impact, main point is agriculture. In agriculture, changes in climate can affect the crop yield, potential leading of food storage. Next is infrastructure. In infrastructure, increase the frequency of extreme weather can damage infrastructure, leading to high repair cost. Next is displacement. Rising sea level and extreme weather event can display communities, leading to climate refugees. So we can discuss some responses like migrations. Migration, reducing emission, transmitting the renewable energy sources, improve energy efficiency, and implementing the carbon capture technologies. Restoration, planting trees and restoring forests to absorb CO2, carbon dioxide. Absorption. Next is absorption. Building reliances, development infrastructure that can withstand extreme weather. Agriculture adjustment, adapting farming practices to new cinematic conditions. So next point is international agreement. So international agreement is Paris Agreement. First is Paris Agreement, an international accord aiming to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius, above pre-industrial levels, which with efforts to limit it to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Next is sustainable development. Goals set by the United Nations to address various global challenges, including climate actions. So next one is individual actions. In individual actions is lifestyle changes, reducing personal carbon footprint through choices such as using public transportation, reducing energy consumption, and supporting sustainable practices. So next is addressing climate change. Addressing climate change is a complex challenge that requires coordinate global efforts, inactive solutions, and active participation at the level of society. So these are some reasons to climate changes, and so thank you.